Hey everyone, this is Becky, Black Art Beauty 14. Now in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of Kiko makeup. Kikomilano makeup. Oh my gosh, I've had this sitting back in my collection for ages now. So I've finally now got round to doing a full face of Kiko. So let's just dive straight in. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram right here, where I tend to post content here and there. So let us get started with Kikomilano. Right, I've got my mirror, just got my mirror in position now. So the first thing I'm going to do is start off with eyebrows. So, as I learned from my previous video. So, this is the Kikomilano Precision Eyebrow Pencil, and my shade was 02. I'm going to start off with the eyebrows. Stop me out now. So, you open the box. So obviously, you get the pencil in here, and it also comes with a little sharpener. So, very handy. It's very, very, very handy. So I'm just going to start by now filling in my eyebrows. I know my eyebrows look a bit crazy, but I will clean them up. I'm going to be using this one right here. This one is the full coverage concealer, and I've got the shade, which this matches my skin tone, so this is the shade number 02. As you see, this product's very, very well loved. Like all my edges, all the edges around and stuff, it's really messy. Use a small little itty brush here. Just gonna start cleaning them up a little bit. So I'm just gonna go underneath and start cleaning them. So I'll do my center, obviously. I'm just gonna apply this to my whole eyelid as well, just as like prime my eyes. The Matte Fusion Pressed Powder. I'm just now setting my eyelid with the pressed powder. Right, eyeshadows. I'm gonna be using their little smart eyeshadows. I've got about 6 of them. I can't hold them all up because I'm going to fall over. I've got like 6 of them right here. So these ones are called the Kiko Smart Colour Eyeshadows, and I've got the colours 20, 15, 25, 09, 28, one of my holy favourites, 02. I've seen a lot of these colourful wings a lot on Instagram, so I think I might recreate that. I think I'll try. So, right. To start with, I'm going to use the shade 25, which was the yellow one. I'm going to use that same brush I used to cut my eyebrows with. And I'm just going to grab that. Just going to start packing that. Start packing it there. I'm going to move on to the greeny shade now, which is number 28. Just going to go with a lot of small brushes today, so I'm going to go with another small little brush. This was from Eco Tools. It's very, very small. I'm going to pack that one on. Whoa, powder there. Now I'm going to pack that just halfway across. This is the halfway across colour. I'm going to add a little bit more darkness now, so I'm going to take the shade number 20, which is the purple. I'm going to go in with a little angled brush. Just going to grab that. And I'm just going to pack that colour right next to that green colour. So packing that right here. I want to save this little gap because I want to save that for the pink. So I want to start just cleaning up the line a bit. So I'm going to go back in with my concealer. Just going to start cleaning around the edges. So I'm going with another small angle, little small brush here. Don't know why I packed it, there's no pigment on my concealer. So I'm just going to start cleaning that edge up. I'm now going to go in with the pink shade, which was number 15. I'm going to go on another small little brush here. I'm going to pack that pink on. And I'm just going to start trying to create a line and a wing with that. So do that, and I'm going to bring it down as well. I've just been going over it just to get the pink more pigmented, just how I wanted it to be. Go back in with the concealer, just been cleaning up inside and there. I'm just going to use the concealer now to sharpen up the wing. Just to sharpen up the lines a little bit more. Right, I've got absolutely loads of these liquid eyeliners. These ones, this is called the Super Color Eyeliner, and this one's in the shade 112. So this one's like a really nice dark green one. But I'm going to go in with the dark green one. I'm just going to put a little bit on the lid. Just going to give it a shake. It's got a little ball inside, so you have to shake them first before using them. Oh, that nearly came off. That could have been a disaster, product everywhere. So I'm going to start by applying this to the lid. So I'm going to start applying the colour. Go back into that pink just to blend it in with the green. This was the white one I was talking about. This one is the shade number 100. This one is the white sparkly one. So with this one, I'm just going to give this one a shake. I'm going to use this one underneath. So I'm going to go slightly on top of the green in the pink. So I'm going to use this inside just to make things a little bit funky. Inside and down. Oh, can we appreciate this shiny white? Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Right, I'm going to do a brow bone highlighter. So, which one do I go with? I'm going to go with the shade 09, which is more of the silvery colour. I have used that one as a highlighter before that one. So, just going to go with the brush I used the yellow on. So I'm just going to pack that on instead. Just going to pack that right in the inner corner. Cool, hello. Under the brow bone as well. Right, I'm going to go in with a nude pencil in the waterline. So this one is the Kiko kohl pencil, and I've got the shade 115. So I'm not too sure if you can get this kohl pencil anymore. This was back in the day when I bought this. If not, they do have their their waterproof eye pencils. Those ones are retractable, and they do have a nude in that one, so you can check that one out because that's pretty much nearly exactly the same colour as this one. So, but that one's even better because that one's waterproof. So I'm just gonna do my waterline because I don't want to do anything too bold. Right, I was going to do mascara, but I think I'm going to start doing my face first, and then once I've done the concealer, I can then clean up any mascara marks that happen. So I'm going to do the face now, so I'm going to go in with this right here now. This is primer. So this is called the Skin Tone Face Base Primer. This one's good if you have a lot of redness like myself. Yeah, I just love the packaging. I really do. So I'm just going to blend that with my fingers. Pray to God I don't catch my eyebrows. They're quite so well. Now moving on to foundation. I've got this one right here. Now this one is proper full on. This one is the full coverage 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I am in the shade Warm Rose 10. Now, as you know me, I don't really go for full coverage things, but this foundation was just unbelievable. You don't need concealer for this because this is so full on. It's got a massive doe foot applicator. Try this. Face. Oh god, I think that was actually too much. Oh shoot. Damn. Because I forgot how full coverage this thing is. Yeah, dark circles completely gone. Before I set my face, I'm going to do mascara. So, I'm going to go in with this mascara right here. This one is the Luscious Lashes Extra Volume Mascara. Yeah, it's starting to build up already. Oh my god. So I'm just going to go with my beauty blender. I'm just going to clean up my little mascara, little P's underneath. So I do have the powder right here, so I'm going to set my face now. So this is the Matte Fusion Pressed Powder, and my shade is 04. And it comes with a nice mirror and a powder puff. I'm going to go in with my nice big fluffy brush. So just going to go in with that. Set the face in place. I could have gone for the Radiant powder, but I chose a matte. I'm going to use the little powder puff. And use that to set under my eyes. Right, so now I'm going to start warming up my face. So I have this right here, this little duo. So this is the Smart Blush and Bronze Palette. And I got the lightest one, which is 01. So it comes with a bronze shade and a blusher. So I'm going to start now by warming up my face. So I'm going to go in with the matte bronzer. I'm going to keep this Kiko theme. So I'm going to use my Rebella Romantic brush. I'm going to go in with the big side there. Just going to start by warming up my face with the bronzer. Bring it down here using the other side. Yeah. So nice. Right, I'm going to go in with the blusher side now. I'm going to use the other end. What's nice about this brush is when you shake the Access product off, it doesn't mix in with any other product. Just going to apply a bit of blush. Ooh, yeah. Right, go in with my brush and then just clean up around the edges. As I usually do. Okay, now I'm going to go in with highlighter. I'm going to go in with that Smart eyeshadow in number 2. I'm going to go in with a very old Kiko brush. This is the shade, this is the eye brush number 200. I'm going to go in with that number 2 eyeshadow. And just going to apply the Get any more glowier than this, I'll tell you that now. Right, so moving on to lips, I'm going to use these. These are the pencil lip gloss, and I've pretty much got all the shades here. So you've got some that are matte. Obviously they've all got a bit of a shine, so they're gloss pencil. So some have got more of a shine, and some have got more a bit of sparkle to them, so they're a bit more of a glittery sparkle. The question is, which colour of these do I use? Do I go for more of a sparkle? Or am I going to go for more of a shine? I'm going to use number 04. So this one is like the sparkly brown one. What a surprise. Yeah, this colour's so nice. They do have their smart lip liners as well, they're pencil ones, and they do have the retractable ones, which are really popular, the retractable ones, because they've got the little sponge on the end of them. So I could have used a lip pencil with that, but I'm quite happy with the gloss, the lip gloss pencil. But last but not least, guys, we have to do setting spray. So here is the setting spray. So this one is the Face Makeup Fixer. I'm gonna set my face. So this one isn't your ordinary setting spray. This one's more like an aerosol can. It sprays like an like a hairspray. So set my face with this. And that is it, guys. This is the completed look. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This video has just been so much fun to do. I love how the eye look has just come out. It's just come out exactly how I wanted it to. I really have enjoyed this. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram right here, where I tend to post content here and there. So yes, if you guys want to see another video of Kiko products as well, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a really nice day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!